Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are doing a slime challenge. But guys, I apologize for not doing a video about for like 6 months because I have to go to school, guys. I definitely have to. But guys, if you wanna come with me, I'm gonna show you some slime. Come with me. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go.
But the experts say that
I'm going.
in the first 7 hours, the mother needs to be skin to skin with the baby. So we should be going. Okay, how are you?
Did you hear that, guys? I can. Sorry, my mom and dad were just watching Shortland Grey. I'm not allowed to say that because it might be, you know. Oops. Sorry. Today we have the slime, and now I just want to see get that for that. Hold on. It's cold, guys. There. There we go, guys. Oh. So we have the slime. Guys, I'm gonna give you like a little stream what it looks like. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna get this set up and hope you guys can see. So what we got here is black slime. Oh god, this is creepy, but look at this. Guys, it's a bleach. I get a little bleach on my hand. Do that bleach. Oh god. Hey guys. This is like slimy. It's mystical, and you could get it at the Good Day shop. It's pretty slimy actually. But make sure to wipe your hands because it makes your hands wet. Just gonna rub it all over my t-shirt now. I just went shower too, so shove it in your face. That was the slime, guys. That wasn't me. His name is Little Timmy, and it will be Big Timmy when I get another one. There's heaps of colors anyway. This ain't the only color. Just look at it. I am God of Egypt. Fire! Guys, I'm just have enough. You have some on your hands. I got some on my hands. See, could you see that black dot? You just put your hands in it. Then it will go away. Will go away. Oh, I'm just gonna grab the thing, the black spot, and I'm gonna show you a main thing. Hi guys. Now we get our thing back. Now watch this. You take out the lid, and you go like this. Make sure you get a green one. It will look more sick. It will look like. Oh, guys, that was so close. I picked the black one so I could play with actually. And there, the tube. Now let's just clean it up. Watch this. Yes. I'm gonna punch you. But watch this. Kind of slimy. But guys, I hope I can see you soon. Next time. For now, I was just playing with my Debbie. Oh god, it's gone, guys. So, guys, bye. Actually, I'm not actually something, guys. I'm gonna say, you guys, make sure you guys subscribe to the various, okay. Subscribe to the various, okay. Or else, this right here, will shove it in your face. I got the nectar of your heart. But guys, make sure you subscribe. And, subscribe, like this video. And guys, I never noticed this. Well, I actually did. But I kept on going to YouTube and there's this little bell. So just go ding dong, okay? Just for like. It's like I'm glitching out. Oh, guys, I nearly dropped it. I'm gonna put it back in the slime cage. And for now, guys, bye. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell. Bye. See ya. I meant to say see ya, but I guess I'm already gone.